How to pin messages on Slack. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process step by step in order to do so. So let's get started with the process. So we can directly open up the Slack application and hover over to the desired message on our screen. For example, something like this. Now what we can do is we can just go over and directly look out for the message that we've sent, and we can hold it up, for example, for text message, and you'll be finding a menu pop up on your screen. Now from there, look out for more actions option and tap on it, and we can look out for this option called pin to conversation. Tap on it and we can pin that conversation. This is one of the method available. If not this, if you want to pin messages like from outside, you can just go over and look out for the conversation base and then try pinning it, and you can pin that message. But usually that is the method available. If it's the first pin, Slack may ask for confirmation, which you can accept to make it visible to everyone, but you can just go over and do so. And if you're on a group message, if you pin the message, all of the members of the channel or the DM can see the pinned items. Pinning is ideal for important links, documents, or theme goals that needs to be easily accessible. You can just go over and follow it up. Similarly, you can just go over and tap and hold the message if you're on mobile device to access the menu through pinning options are sometimes found in the message options in the submenu. But usually this is how you should be able to pin messages on Slack, which is pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.